Let me tell you something most car owners realize too late. A tiny 800 rupees sensor can disable a 15 lakhs car. And that's not a defect, that's engineering. You buy a new car, everything feels perfect. Smooth engine, silent cabin, advanced features. Then 3 to 5 years later, things start failing. And it's not bad luck, modern cars are built differently. I recently saw a car where one camera module failed. The engine was perfect, the gearbox was fine, but the repair estimate almost 70,000. Not because the car was weak, but because the part was non-repairable. Today I am going to explain why modern cars feels amazing when new but becomes expensive after warranty. And I am not talking about engines. I am talking about the cheap features that nobody worries about. Old cars were mechanical. New cars are electronic ecosystems. And electronics don't fail slowly, they fail suddenly. That one change has completely reshaped car durability. And here is the part most people don't realize. Many modern car parts are designed to be non-repairable. If one small component fails, you replace the entire module. This isn't bad engineering, it's efficient engineering. Manufacturers design cars to meet emission targets, reduce weight, and survive warranty periods. After that, durability becomes a trade off. Modern cars didn't become weaker, they became more optimized. And optimization always reduces margin for abuse. Let's talk about the real killers. Number one, infotainment systems. One glitch and you replace the whole screen. Number two, electronic parking brake. A tiny actuator decides whether the car moves. Number three, transmission electronics. Not the gearbox, the computer controlling it. These are the parts that nobody maintains, but they decide how long your car feels new. Wait, it gets worse. Some modern headlights cost more than the older engines to replace. Older cars had replaceable parts. Modern cars use seal systems. Examples: integrated sensors, digital clusters, battery modules. If one section fails, you replace everything. And here is the truth nobody says out loud. These designs are not mistakes. They are economic decisions. Cars today are built for efficiency, not forever. Now let's talk about something uncomfortable. Driving habits affect electronics more than the engines. Examples: short trips, extreme heat, aggressive stop go traffic. These don't break the car instantly, they quietly reduce lifespan. So, are modern cars bad? No, they are smarter, safer, faster. But convenience always comes with hidden trade offs. Modern cars didn't become disposable. We just started prioritizing features over longevity. And most owners don't even realize it. So tell me honestly, would you choose more technology or longer durability? Because in modern engineering, you rarely get both. If you want to understand the real engineering behind modern cars, watch my other video on why automatic gearbox fail earlier. It directly connects to this.